Hi, so the next drawing technique I'm going to show you is isometric as part of the Summer Graphics Drawing Challenge. Isometric, there's one on a drawing board that you use the 30-60 set square, so sometimes there's a wee bit of confusion because people get mixed up and think they need to draw it at 60 degrees, but no, isometric is done at 30 degrees. So try and remember that, keep that in mind. 30 degrees is the key size we're using. To help me sketching, what I generally do is draw a baseline along. If you're stuck with what angle 30 degrees is, just remember draw a straight line that's 90 degrees. Halfway is going to be 45, just less than halfway, not quite halfway between those, is going to be 30 degrees. So that's when I got my 30 degrees, we got a kind of 45 is probably closer to there, and then we now can draw our box. We want it going both ways, so 30 degree line, so that's my 30 degree line here, 30 degree line here. How high does my box go? Draw a line along the 30 degree line. This line here is parallel. You might have heard of parallel lines in maths. That's two lines at the exact same angle. So I want to draw this line here, the same angle as this line here. Takes a wee bit of practice. Where's the end of my box? Drawing that side. Now the right hand side is the exact same. So I've got how far does the box come up here. For the line going up here, I'm going to do it at the exact same angle. So another parallel line. See where the end is. So the end's here. Shade that in. Further lines up the back, it's exactly the same. All the lines that I'm drawing to the left are at this angle here, this 30 degrees, so I can draw that there, and just continue it back because it's a construction line. And then all the lines I'm drawing to the right are at this 30 degrees, so I'm just going to draw that 30 degrees back here, shade in where the box is. And that's when we've got an isometric box. Now, for doing more complex things for isometrics, for example, circles, there is a proper way to draw isometric circles if you were doing it with drawing equipment. The key to remember is that you don't draw a perfect circle. It's more of an ellipse, which is like a squished circle, a football that's been sat on. The other thing you might want to do is either add or take away bits of your box. If that's the case, you might say, okay, well, I'm going to have this here. And it's going to have a slot cut out of it. So if that's the case, I could say, well, this is where the slot is. This line here is the same angle as that one. Project that back at 30 degrees. Take that down. And that's me now got a box with a slot cut into it. As with any other drawing, you could add bits on if you wanted to add more to the drawing. You could add an extra box at the side. And keep going. That's isometric. Hope it's been helpful. Any other help you need, check out my other videos. Thanks.